Now, let us learn some important problems, that is numericals on the lesson oscillations, which are likely to be asked in the examination. Which of the following relationships between the acceleration A and the displacement x of a particle represents simple harmonic motion or involves simple harmonic motion? See, there are four equations are given. In each equation, you observe that acceleration is a function of displacement because A and x are related in some way. Here it is A equals 0.34x, A equals minus 3 by 4x square, A equals minus 15x, A equals 10x cube. Here A is a function of x square and here A is a function of x cube, and in these two, A is a function of x. Now let's see which one of these four will represent the simple harmonic motion. We know that the restoring force is given by F is equal to minus kx, but F is equal to MA is equal to minus kx. Therefore, A can be written as minus k by m into x. Now, the mass of the particle during simple harmonic motion remains constant. K is already the force constant. So constant by constant is again a constant. So A equals minus of a constant. This constant is K by M. Both are constants, therefore this is another constant into X. Now if you try to match these four equations, you should have A here on the left hand side with a negative sign, a constant into x. We have this. There is no minus sign, so it is not possible. Here it is x square, it is not possible. Here it is x cube, we have only x, it is not possible. So A is equal to minus 15x. Therefore you can say A is equal to minus 15x represents simple harmonic motion. So that is how we identify which is a harmonic motion.